Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm on my way to go to IKEA. Now it is that time of year that I get a birthday present from IKEA, so I'm gonna show you what I get, and then I'm gonna show you some things that you should be getting at IKEA. So let's go. It's like the Disneyland of furniture stores. Little photo op. But if you've not been to IKEA, it is set up like little areas where you can kind of see how the product would work. And it is super cool. So I love this couch. This part pulls out and it's a bed. Good for guests. So the next thing that I think we need to buy is a dining room set. So I kind of love this really long table. It comes in another shade right here. It's really nice, really sturdy. And then there's this one that has the kind of pine top with the black bottom. It's also a contender, and they're like about $600, so I have to save up. I love these rolly carts. We had a blue one, and I actually resold it or sold it like on a yard sale site, and it was very popular. And I love that they have the smaller ones too, perfect for storage in a bathroom. Another thing that I love here is that they do embrace the tiny living movement. And so a lot of times, a lot of their furniture doubles as something else. You can see like dividers, and then this is like a focus wall, but it's also a closet. Could you really live in a small place like this? I totally could. Paul, not maybe so much. Only $2.49 for these pillows. Those are nice. 79-cent dish towels. These are awesome. A few years ago, we were having a get together and I was deciding on should I have paper plates or real plates. So I came to IKEA and they have plates for 79 cents. Let me show you. So every time I came, I would just buy like 5 or 10 more. And now I have like, I want to say like 40 of them. And it is the best. I'm so happy I have a big collection of these. If there is nothing that I could recommend more is their curtain rod system. Let me show you. So you have to buy them by piece, so don't forget certain things, but you can see here's the rod for $3.99. And I love getting it in black. And then these are $1 each. These are the end, like the tracks that you'll need to put them on the wall, so you get 2 of those. And then you'll need like some of those. The best. So it comes out to like under $10 for a curtain rod set, which, what a great price. I've bought many storage containers here. And these ones are for pretty big sized ones. If you're tight on storage for shoes, look at how thin this profile is, and good price. We have the one that's a little bit bigger. We have this one in our closet, and it's $129, and it's in gray. So I believe it comes in different colors, but see how it opens up, put all the shoes in. Such a good good thing. These 12 by 16 frames they have are $10. Or cheaper. That one's $5. This 16 by 20 is $12.99. What a good price. Plus, I love all their Christmas stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. I am back from IKEA, and right when I was trying to check out, Jonas was like, Mom, I don't have my lunch. I'm on the other side of town. Sorry, honey, you're gonna have to wait till you get home. Oh my goodness. And then it was just a lot of miscommunication a bit. I was doing the self-check and there was an issue with my email and my card, not my debit card, but my IKEA card, which if you sign up for the IKEA family card or whatever, it's not like a charge card, it's just like a club card. They send you like little perks throughout the year that you could use. So if you go to IKEA, it might be worth it to sign up. And then for your birthday, they'll give you a $10 gift card to spend. And so that's the gift that they give. And so I wanted to show you what I got. First, I got Ezra a soccer ball. So this was just a few dollars. I think it was like $3.99, but it's just like a pillow, so he could leave it on his bed or he could just play with it. And either way, yes, he's happy to have that. And as you could hear, he's like, talk about it first, Mom. All right. So another thing that I purchased was this toilet scrubber. I know. It's not glamorous, but they're only $1. So you could switch them out often at, whenever you want to do it. And I know that our bathroom is needing some new ones. So this was a very, very good find. And one of my favorite things that I love at IKEA are their glass containers. So I found these. I was trying to find the lids that were like wooden. I've been seeing those on some of the organization videos that I've been watching on YouTube. But these ones will work just fine, and you just snap them on. These run about $5, I think was this one, and this one was $7, as you can see. Wow. And so I'm a huge fan of using glass items to put with our food. So Paul will take some of these to work as well. And the lids right now have seen better days. So I'm trying to get some newer glass containers. And if you're not using the glass, you could always recycle them as well. So those were a good buy for us. And this brand, the IKEA brand 365, is like for everyday living. So that was found in a lot of the kitchen stuff, the bathroom stuff, the bedding stuff. So you can see that 365 is like for everyday life. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and one of my absolute favorite things that I probably buy every time I go are the plants, you guys. Now, I showed you a little bit ahead already of some of the plants, but this one is a newer one, and I just love boxwoods. So it just looks like such a hardy plant, and it can last forever, really. At Target, they do have a version of this that is a little bit lighter. I have some around the house, but I love to decorate with these ones from IKEA. They're only $5, and they have a little tin cup that I could put it in for $1. So this time around, this one's a new one. I love this hanging. They do look so realistic. I mean, these leaves look so realistic. And this time around, I got this one. This one was $1, the cup to put it in. So that looks so cute. So I'm gonna have to find a place for this. I think I know where, on my entertainment center. But you can see it is realistic, both of them really. And I have to buy one almost every time I go to IKEA. So $5 is well worth it. Do you go to IKEA? Do you have an IKEA near you? Let me know some of your favorite things, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video in which I've showed you some of my favorite things or things I've already purchased. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.